Hey guys, it's Ray. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get this. So I start off with putting concealer all over my eyelids and I just set it with setting powder. Then I go in with a yellow. I just focus it on the outside and bring it to the inner corner, and then the orange I only pack on the outer corner just to add some depth. I'm just going to cut a little bit of my crease all the way up to the middle and set it with some powder just so it looks a little more vibrant, and then I pack it with some white cream color, and then I'm just going to blend everything together. Now I'm just taking a gel liner and just following the shape of my eye and doing a little wing, and then just adding some mascara. A little beauty tip: if you take a mirror and place it right under your face when you're doing your upper lashes, it helps to lift them up more. So yeah, give it a try. So now I'm just putting on my foundation. I use the Haus foundation. It's pretty lightweight, and same thing with the concealer. I love this concealer. I've never used a concealer before, and I just recently added it to my routine, and now I just can't stop using it. Just buff it out with the brush. I feel like it gives it a more natural look. And I don't completely cover everything. I kind of like a foundation that isn't full coverage, just because I like my freckles to kind of peek through. And then I'm just gonna add this blush. I thought a red blush would look really pretty with all the yellow. And then I'm just gonna finish off with a little brown lip liner and a berry pinky color. This is the final look. I think it turned out pretty okay. I was having a little trouble with the gel eyeliner I was using. I think it dried out. I've had it for a while now, so I think it's time I buy a new one. But I think overall, it came out super cute. I don't know, what do you guys think?